In this quiz we have total 10 questions. Timer is 20 seconds, so start. See, if the time is 8:20 on the clock, what will be the reflection in the mirror? So the mirror image first is, if the time is given like 4 o'clock, we will subtract 12, and if the time is given with minute, then we subtract with 11:60. So the answer is 3:40. Answer is. Now it's your turn. So this is a question. Find the solution in 20 seconds. So time is up. Answer it on comment box. And other question is, here is the options. You can answer in 20 seconds. Time is up. Here another question, you can answer it within the time. It's a timer is start and at time up. So this is the fourth question. This is last question of this type. It's these questions are depend on the mirror image. So after that we will start other questions. It's the water image. So what water image? Here is a question. If the time is 2:20 in clock, then what will be the water image? So to first we subtract 6:30. If it's less than 6:30, time given time is less than 6:30, and so it's a question for you and another question for you. So it's greater than 6:30, so it will be subtracted from 18:30. If this question is greater than 18:30, so it will be subtracted from 23:60 or 24 hours. So it's time up. You can, here is another type of questions. So solution is given here. So you can get the solution from this. The question is here and the options are here. So it's and time is up, so you can answer the next question. Next question is also depend on hour clock and minute clock. Options are given here, so you can find the answer in 20 seconds. Now last question is here. You can find the answer with the options. Options are given here.